Hi, let's demystify back or reverse bearing as it is sometimes called. Now, you must have seen a question like, if the bearing of a point A from B is, say, 70 degrees, what is the bearing of B from A? Okay, now such kind of question is referred to as back or reverse bearing. Now, you can actually answer such question without sketching your usual cardinal points, okay, or diagrams that you use. Now, the rule is simple. If the bearing that is given is less than 180 degrees, if it is less than 180 degrees, all you would have to do is add 180 degrees to the bearing that is given, and you have your answer. Just add 180 to it, and that's your answer. But if the bearing given is greater than 180 degrees, all you would have to do is subtract 180 from it. Subtract 180 from the bearing that is given, and you're done. Okay, now let's look at an example quickly. It says the bearing of a town A from B is 125 degrees. The bearing of B from A is, now I'm sure if you pause this video right now, you can actually get the answer before me. Okay, I'm sure you got it. So now look at the bearing given, 125 degrees. You can tell that this is less than 180 degrees. So remember the rule, you add when it is less than 180. So this will be 125. You add 180 to it, and that would give us this, this, and this. So our answer is clearly 305 degrees without drawing any diagrams. Okay, now let's look at another example. Now, before you go on with this example, I want you to look at the options. Now, the bearing given is in a 3-digit notation, while the options are in the compass bearing notation. Now, if you're not familiar with what I'm saying right now, you could just tell me in the comment section, and I'll be glad to make a video of the relationship between them and the conversions between them. You can convert from compass bearing to 3-digit bearing, or 3-digit bearing to compass bearing. It's quite simple. Okay, but the rule will still be the same for the beginning of this. So all you need to do is you can see that the angle given is greater than 180 degrees. Remember, what do we do when the bearing is greater than 180? We subtract 180 from it. So 342 minus 180 will give us 162 degrees. Okay, now please, this will not be the answer. Okay, now they intentionally put this there knowing that a lot of students would want to choose this. Now that is not the answer, because this is in the 3-digit form and this is in the cardinal point form or compass bearing form. Now you can actually convert this to the compass bearing form without even sketching any diagrams, but that comes with practice. Okay, but for the sake of this this video, I'll just show you. Now if you draw your cardinal points, don't mind my lines, it's in north, south, west, and east. Okay, now the rule is this: 162, once this from here to here is 90, and from here to here is 180. So 162 is going to fall in this region. Okay, now so let's say from here to here is at 162. Okay, so what is left is this angle. So for the compass bearing, you always make use of the angle the line makes with this pole. Okay, so this would be 180 minus 162, and this will be 18 degrees. So our answer, the correct option, will be this and not this. Please take note. So that's it. So like I said, if you want me to make a video on this, please drop a comment in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that. And please subscribe. Thank you.